Hello my friends! This video was inspired by the latest Bouvet DXpedition. By the way, I didn't get lucky to have the QSO with this station, but I will be patiently wait the next one. Like most DX operators on the big pileups, they worked in a split mode. What does it mean? It means that the transmitting on one frequency and listening on another. How to use this feature and how to set two different frequencies on your transceiver. Not all beginners know it. And to be honest, not many of us like to read long instructions. So I made this short video illustration how to use the split on the different type of transceivers, and thanks my friends who helped me in this video.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
I hope it helps a little bit to reduce the problems on the DX frequency in the future.